Hello everyone, and this video is for you if you're going through family court and you are worried about speaking to the judge and asking questions, answering the questions posed to you. You know, walking into a courtroom is a bit like stepping onto the set of a quiz show nobody auditioned for. The prize? Possibly your sanity. The host? A judge who, trust me, has heard every excuse, sob story, and unnecessary life detail you're planning to unload. Here's the secret. Judges absolutely adore, and I mean they practically swan over people who answer questions clearly. Crazy, right? Crazy concept. Unfortunately, most people treat the courtroom questions like those online recipes that start with a lengthy anecdote of about grandma's trip to Italy in 1973. Nobody cares, Margaret. Nobody cares. Just tell us how many eggs we need. Just simple. So let's train that nervous little hamster in your brain to stop sprinting on its wheel when it's asked a simple question, because, trust me, no judge in history has ever said, I wish this person would elaborate more about their ex-wife's glutton intolerance. Preparation is your courtroom superpower. Start by doing your homework. This means organising your paperwork beforehand. Create a neat binder or folder where clearly labelled tabs, where think of it as like your personal filing cabinet, just the dust and the mysterious old keys. Practice answering the questions out loud. And I say this to a lot of people, answer the questions and I mean it. Stand in front of the mirror, talk to your cat, talk to your dog, whatever, your plant pot, whatever you want, whoever is listening. The goal is comfort, not sanity. Practice speaking clearly and concisely until it feels natural. Another golden nugget of advice. Jot down key points, not essays. If the judge asks about specific dates, times, these little reminders can stop your mind from wandering down memory lane, or worse, inventing new events entirely. It happens. Step 1. When actually in court, breathe. Sounds easy, right? I know, but wrong. Most of you hold your breath like you're auditioning for a role as a submarine captain. Breathing creates space. Space creates clarity. Clarity prevents you from blurting out embarrassing confessions about your Star Wars collection when asked about your fitness or finances. Step 2. I know, revolutionary, I know. But listening to the judge's actual words, not imagining or the imaginary question your anxiety just conjured up, will save you from answering, did you pick up the kids late? With usually I'm very punctual, Your Honour, especially since I switched to the oat milk. Step 3. Answer only the question asked. This is courtroom gold. If the judge asks, were you at Tesco at 3 p.m? They don't want the full saga of your supermarket adventures. Yes, Your Honour, or no, Your Honour, will suffice. Save the adventures for your memoir. If you find yourself tempted to stray, picture the judge mentally screaming, land the plane, Captain, tangent, before gently steering you back to the runway. Now, step 4, practice simplicity. If your answer can't fit neatly on a post-it note, rethink it. Remember, court isn't therapy. It's more like speed dating. Now, your facts, brief, precise, and no one wants your whole life story. No one. Step 5, rehearse difficult scenarios. Ask a friend to grill you on tough questions or points that might trigger you and your anxiety. Get comfortable with being uncomfortable. And trust me, you'd rather stumble over your words at the kitchen table than in front of a judge. Step 6, get familiar with the courtroom etiquette. Dress neatly, arrive early, and address the judge respectfully. Always Your Honour. Remember, good first impressions can't win your case alone, but bad ones can definitely lose it. And lastly, if nerves strike, and they will, use a simple grounding technique. Imagine your feet glued to the courtroom floor and your hands calmly resting. If this fails, just picture the judge wearing a fluffy bunny slippers underneath that gown, so you get a bit of an imagination. You're welcome. So that's it, folks. Prepare beforehand. Keep answers short. Stay on topic. Breathe like you mean it. And for heaven's sake, keep Grandma's trip to Italy to yourself. Till next time.